In this video, you'll learn how to turn on package tracking in Gmail so you can easily keep an eye on your online orders right from your inbox. We'll go through each part of the process slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll have package tracking enabled and ready to use. First, let's start by opening Gmail. You can do this either in a web browser on your computer or through the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. For the most complete set of options and the most reliable experience, it's usually best to use a desktop browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once your inbox is visible and you can see your emails, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll need to get into your settings. At the top right corner of the Gmail interface, look for the small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click that gear icon once. A small panel will open on the right showing quick settings. This panel lets you change things like display density and theme, but what we want is the full settings area. In that quick settings panel, look for the option that says something like see all settings and click it. That will take you to the main settings page where all of Gmail's detailed options are organized into tabs. By default, you should land on the General tab. This is where most of the everyday settings for your Gmail account live, including the one we need for package tracking. If, for some reason, you're not on the General tab, just look along the top for the word General and click it to switch back. Once you're on the General tab, scroll down the page slowly until you find the section labeled Package Tracking. The layout can change slightly over time, so take a moment to scan through the options until you see it. In this section, you'll see a checkbox or a toggle that allows Gmail to automatically track packages. To enable this feature, click the checkbox or switch so that it's turned on. When this setting is enabled, Gmail will use the information in your shipping confirmation emails to show you live tracking updates and delivery statuses right inside your inbox. This can save you time since you won't have to dig through messages or go to carriers' websites just to see where your package is. After turning on package tracking, don't scroll away or close the tab just yet. There's one important thing you need to do to make sure your change actually takes effect. At the very bottom of the general settings page, you'll see a button that says Save Changes. Scroll all the way down until you find it, then click Save Changes. Gmail will briefly reload your inbox, applying the new setting. Once that's done, package tracking is now active for your account. The next time you get an email with shipping details from an online store or delivery service, Gmail will automatically highlight the tracking information, often showing a summary, view, or status right above the email content. If you ever decide you don't want this feature, you can return to the General tab in Settings, turn off package tracking, and save your changes again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on package tracking in Gmail, making it much easier to follow your orders and deliveries without leaving your inbox.